a good book. Okay.
Seriously.
Oh, Prince Charming, please come and save me. Rapunzel, let down your hair.
What's this? Where's Rapunzel? Bandits, gather round. You guys need to find her and bring her back. Whoever completes this task shall get a prize. 100 gold coins to the one who finds Rapunzel. Now go! Well. Look who we have here. You can run, but you can't hide.
Oh yeah, watch me.
We're all gonna die! We're winning! I'm fighting my wands as hard as I can.
You are weak.
Now we both don't have noses.
Makes it really hard to breathe. You'll get used to it.
Hello, I am Hagrid.
Avocado!
Who is she? New girl. She is pretty. Super pretty. Dips. No, you can't call Dips. She is a robot with feelings, not the front seat.
Why don't you guys fight like real men do? Are you equally good at anything?
No.
Are you equally bad at anything?
Box?
Let the boxing game begin. Get set, go!
Where is Eva?
She's over there.
You may be our only chance to save the city.
Yes, sir. We'll do our best.
Good.
I'm in.
Attendance! Alright, here. Calvin? Here. Kaden? Here. Nathan? Present. Zachary? No. You may now eat your lunch.
This is worse than I thought. They are performing tests on children. What? Where are you? Don't worry, I'm gonna save them. Step away from the hostages and put your hands up. Don't eat the sandwiches. They will kill you. You are free. Where is the professor?
I don't know. Maybe check the staff room.
Professor Evil is hiding in a room they call the staff room. Do you know where that is? Where are you? I found Professor Evil. He's working on the radioactive sandwich recipe.